These do work up very quickly, and they would also make an excellent gift. This is Loops and Threads. It's a number 5 bulky. I'm actually using a 5.5 millimeter hook. We just need to make 2 panels, approximately measuring 7 inches by 7 inches. To determine what size you want, wrap my flexible tape measure around the palm of my hand, and I'm at about 7 inches. To begin, I'm going to chain 22. For the second chain from the hook into that back loop, I am working my first double crochet, and then into the next chain, that back loop, I'm going to work a single crochet, and into the next chain, that back loop, a double crochet, the next chain, back loop, single crochet. So I am just alternating between a double crochet and a single crochet all the way down the chain. So as we get to the end here, I'm ending this row with my double crochet, and then I'm just going to chain 1, turn my work, and then work a double crochet on top of the single crochet that we made in the previous row. So this one was a double crochet, so we're going to make sure we put a single crochet on top. So basically we're just working the opposite of what the previous row was, and I'm not trying to complicate it. It's just that's how you make sure that you're still on the right pattern, but we're just doing the same thing, alternating between the double crochet and the single crochet. This stitch is called the up and down stitch. It has also been called the lemon peel stitch. And we just continue to alternate between a single crochet and a double crochet all the way down the row. here we are coming to the end of the row, and we'll just work our last single crochet. Now for this one, we need to chain 2 to get up to the next row. You can simply just make a chain 2, or you can do a standing double crochet, which is a single crochet on top of a single crochet, which equals a double crochet. Or you can just chain 2 if you don't want to mess with that. Work your single crochet, double crochet, all the way across. And if you have difficulty keeping track of your rows, just pop in a little stitch marker at the end of each row so that you can keep track. Just using the slip stitch method to join. Don't hesitate to try it on along the way. Another joining method that would be good for this is just like a single crochet. So let's just flip this inside out and see how it's looking. Ooh, I think it's pretty. Ooh, that is nice. I think these might be my new favorites. This color is actually really cool. Oh, I better do the other one, huh? So here they are. I think they would be a perfect Christmas gift or birthday present. These worked up so quickly. I hope that you enjoy them as much as I do. My fingers are nice and free.